what he's saying. That's why the Bible pretext from verse number 2 to 3. What do we see? Jesus was in fasting and he was hungry. So we begin to see that Jesus was nourishing his spirit. He was feeding what? His spirit. And he wanted his spirit to grow by focusing on prayer and focusing on the word. So when the devil comes and he says, change the stones into bread, Jesus cannot eat the bread. Was it that Jesus cannot turn the stones into bread? He had all the power to do that. But if he changed the stones into bread, he would have disobeyed God. Because Jesus does not live by bread, he lives by what? By the word. And I've already stated to children, I said, bread gives life. But the life that comes from bread is not the life of God. So she's simple. Or let me bring it to a simplicity. She possible to not come here and come here tonight. Marikin and you come here to show you to lava. Did you hear that? She possible to not come here tonight. Let tonight Marikin and you come here to show you to lava.